Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. IPython, short for Interactive Python, is an enhanced interactive Python shell that offers various improvements over the standard Python interpreter. It provides features like tab completion, history, and a powerful interactive interface. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to install IPython on your system. Before you start the installation process, make sure you have Python installed on your system. IPython requires Python 3.3 or later. You can check your Python version by running. If you don't have Python installed, download and install it from Python's official website. The recommended way to install IPython is by using the Python Package Manager, pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This will download and install the latest version of IPython from the Python package index, PyPI. After the installation is complete, you can verify that IPython is installed by running. This command should display the installed IPython version. To start an IPython session, simply type IPython in your terminal or command prompt. You should now see the IPython prompt, indicating that you are in the interactive IPython environment. Let's test IPython with a simple Python code snippet. Enter the following commands in the IPython prompt. You should see the output of the print statements and the result of the calculation. To exit IPython, you can type exit or quit in the prompt, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D. Congratulations! You have successfully installed IPython on your system. This interactive Python shell provides a more convenient and feature-rich environment for your Python development. Explore its capabilities and enjoy a more interactive coding experience. ChatGPT